have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Who stole Papa's smartwatch? Papa received the smartwatch as a gift from the office. Papa was happily showing off its features to Gattu and Chinky. This is a smartwatch. Something only smart people get.
But Papa, Monty always wear a watch like this. Does that mean he's smart too?
Everyone started laughing after hearing Gattu's words. And Papa lovingly scolded him. Shut up, Gattu. You're talking a bit too much.
I am serious, Papa. All my friends have smartwatches. It's just me who don't have it. He just starts scribbling anywhere. Papa, please forget about this Gattu and tell me about the rest of the features of this watch.
Yes, look. This watch will calculate every step I'm going to take during the day, because of which I will get motivation to take more steps and I will stay healthy.
Wow, Papa, that's an amazing feature, really.
Yes, dear. And if someone calls me, I'll go ahead and pick up their call with this watch, which means no stress even while driving. The kids were intently learning about all the features of Dad's watch. Just then, Mummy called everyone for breakfast.
If you finish talking about your watch, come and have dinner. Otherwise, with the hungry stomach, you won't be able to take a single step. Then what will your smartwatch count?
After listening to Mummy, everyone quickly went to the dining table and sat down for dinner. Even while eating, Papa's attention was focused only on his smartwatch. But the next morning, Papa's watch went missing. Papa hurriedly searched for it before leaving for office. Hey, did you see my smartwatch? I had kept it here last night.
You were wearing it on your hand the whole time. So, where would it go? It would be somewhere. Look carefully.
Papa searched for it everywhere, but couldn't find his watch anywhere. Finally, Papa left for the office without his watch. But just then, Gattu, who is hiding behind the door, comes out. And in his hand was Papa's smartwatch.
I have the smartwatch. Papa has a lot of watches on him. But I don't have even one. Just for one day, I'll show it to my friends and put it back in Dad's cupboard. Dad won't get to know. And my friends will think that it's my smartwatch. Wow, Gattu, you're so smart. Just like the smartwatch.
Gattu was very happy to wear his father's smartwatch, and then as evening approached, showed Bunty and Hari his smartwatch.
Look at my new smartwatch. With the latest technology, no one in the entire colony has a watch like this. It's a really cool smartwatch. Yes, and it must be very expensive, right? What did you think? It's very expensive.
Just then, Monty arrives there.
Gattu, can you show me your smartwatch? Let me see what all latest features it has. Step counting, alarm clock, music player. It has all the latest features.
Saying this, Gattu handed his watch to Monty. Monty pressed a button on the smartwatch and returned it back to Gattu.
Now the real fun begins.
Gattu didn't understand anything and quickly took his watch and returned home. After a while, Papa also returned home from office. Gattu quickly went to his room and pretended to study so that Papa wouldn't ask him about his watch. Hey, did you find my watch? Everyone in the office was asking why I wasn't wearing a smartwatch today. I'll have to wear it tomorrow or my boss will think I didn't like the office gift. Papa started looking for his watch again. But when he didn't find it, he was just disappointed. As night fell, Chinky said to Gattu,
Gattu, did you see Papa's watch anywhere? How will I see it? I have been studying since the evening. I don't know.
With that, Gattu snuggled into his blanket and went to sleep. Chinky turned off the lights in the room. Just then, the smartwatch's night mode activated, and a scary image of a wolf appeared on the wall. Chinky screamed loudly upon seeing the image.
Ah! What is this, Gattu? light quickly.
Hearing Chinky's scream, Gattu hid his smartwatch under the pillow and turned on the light. Just then, Mom and Dad arrived. What happened, Chinky?
I don't know, Papa. I was sleeping. If you're feeling scared, both of you can sleep with us. No, Mummy. I am feeling very sleepy. And don't worry, nothing will happen to Chinky.
Mummy and Papa smiled at Gattu's words and left from there.
It must be Monty's prank. He must have messed up the smartwatch.
The next morning, Papa started looking for his watch again. But this time too, he couldn't find anything.
You will not go for a walk because of your smartwatch. Hurry up and go for a walk, or else you'll be late for work.
Okay, I will go. I thought I'd count my steps today. Anyway, Gattu dear, you come with me for a walk too. Hearing his father's voice, Gattu quickly got up, put his smartwatch in his pocket, and set out for a walk with his father. While walking, the smartwatch's morning alarm suddenly started ringing, and a meow meow sound suddenly began to play. Hearing this, some dogs sitting in the park started chasing Gattu and Papa. Hey Gattu, run faster! These dogs are very dangerous!
Yes, Papa.
In a short while, Gattu and Papa escaped the dogs and came out of the park saving their lives. When they reached home, they were panting heavily.
What's the matter? It seems you've exercised a little harder today.
Before Papa could answer Mummy's question, his eyes fell on Gattu's smartwatch, which was hanging out of his pocket. Seeing his watch with Gattu, his eyes widened in surprise. Gattu dear, what is this? Does it mean that you had my smartwatch?
Papa, sorry, Papa. Actually, I...
Hey Gattu dear, don't worry. You didn't need to take my watch. I bought a smartwatch for you the very next day. I thought we'd take a selfie together wearing our watches, but my watch was missing, and so I didn't surprise you with the watch. Then Papa brings the watch from the room, gives it to Gattu and says, "Here, your very own smartwatch." Gattu's eyes lit up seeing this surprise gift from Papa. And Mummy and Chinky also started smiling looking at his face.
It seems that because of this watch, Papa is planning to take you for walks every day, so that you can get up a little early every day.
Everyone starts laughing out loud after hearing Chinky's words.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.